Is your Wix website looking a little wonky on phones and tablets? Let's fix that and make your site shine on every screen. First, we need to understand how Wix handles responsiveness. Think of it like a chameleon. Your website needs to adapt its colors and shapes to fit its background. Wix does this by providing different views for desktop, tablet, and mobile. You'll find these toggles at the top of your Wix editor. Always start by designing for the desktop, then dive into the mobile views. Now, let's tackle those elements. When you switch to the mobile editor, you'll see that Wix often tries to do some automatic resizing, but it's not always perfect. Select an element, like a text box or an image. See these handles around it. You can drag them to resize the element. The key here is to make it readable and visually appealing without becoming too small or too large for the screen. For images, you can also crop them to focus on the important parts or adjust their alignment. Don't be afraid to move things around. In the mobile editor, you can reposition elements freely. Think about columns. Sometimes stacking them vertically on mobile looks much cleaner than trying to keep them side by side. It's also a good idea to hide elements that aren't essential on mobile. Maybe a large decorative element on your desktop site isn't as crucial for a quick mobile browse. You can do this by selecting the element and clicking the hide element option, often represented by an eye icon. Finally, the most important step, testing. Wix has a fantastic preview mode. Click it and then toggle between the desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Within the preview, see how everything flows. Does the text read well? Are buttons easy to tap? If something's still off, go back to the editor, make your adjustments, and preview again until it's perfect. By following these steps, you'll ensure your visitors have a seamless experience, no matter how they're browsing your amazing Wix website.